Clear skies and sunshine, the perfect conditions for 18 holes at the Kanata Golf and Country Club. The same for those enjoying the course in the off-season, including Marilyn Archer, whose home backs onto the 14th tee.
We have lived on this particular house for over 20 years and have enjoyed the golf course. We've walked the dogs, we have skied, we have tobogganed on the hill back there with our grandkids, and now that's all could be taken away from us.
Her neighbor, Jenna Fife, says if ClubLink and the developers get the green light to build new homes on the property, all of this outdoor space will be gone.
The plan for this portion of the golf course would be to put a road right up the middle and to put houses on either side.
Last month, the city lost an appeal to the Ontario Court of Appeals when a panel of 3 judges determined that an agreement made back in 1981 to keep 40% of the property as green space was void.
How can it just all be null and void? Like, it is absolutely ridiculous, and everybody feels the same way here. It just seems so crazy.
At a town hall meeting Tuesday, the mayor says they will take the appeal to the highest court in the country.
When the city decides to go to the Supreme Court and the mayor makes this amazing announcement, people need to understand this is not about golf. It's about an agreement that is no longer valid, and that's not right.
This is the second time the city and local groups have gone to the Supreme Court. Back in 2022, the court refused to hear the case. However, the city's top lawyer outlining the concerns in a memo to council, saying in part, allowing the current ruling to stand could have far-reaching consequences for municipal governance, contract enforcement, and public trust in the decision-making and implementation processes. After Tuesday's meeting, Kanata residents say that they're optimistic that the mayor is taking the appeal to Canada's highest court and that the fight isn't over yet.
It's inspiring. It means that the city supports us and knows that this issue is one of integrity and one to take to the highest level.
I had a great sense of hope. I really do. I think people are very upset, and we're going to fight this to the end.
The city has until mid-March to file the appeal in the Supreme Court. Councillor Curry doesn't expect to hear back from the Supreme Court, though, for at least 6 months, meaning any development is likely paused until a later date this year. Patricia.
Whichever way you sit on this, it's nice to see a little green space out there on a day like today. Kimberly, thank you very much for this.